Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, there is a charge Q of magnitude 2 coulomb, and it moves through a uniform magnetic field, and at an instant, the velocity of the particle v equals to 2 in x direction plus 4j plus 6k. This is the velocity in meter per second of that particle. The question says that in the magnetic field, the magnetic force applied on the particle experienced by the particle is 4I minus 20 times j plus 12k, and this is force in Newton. Right. Now we say that the x and y components of the magnetic field are equal. Bx equals to by. Right. So what is B? What is the total magnetic field B in terms of vector? Right. So to find that out, we start with the expression for magnetic force, that is equal to F is equal to Q times V cross B. Right. So if you dissolve these components of V and B and do cross multiplication, then this will give you V cross B is equal to Vy, yth component of V, Vz minus Vy Vz in ith direction. This Q is for hole, plus Vz Vx minus Vz Vx in the direction of J, and in addition to this there is force in kth direction, and that is Vx By Bx Vy in kth direction. So what we should do next is compare the components of I, J and K on both LHS and RHS. So on the LHS we have force, on the RHS we have Q and the product of V and B. So if you compare all the terms in the RHS and LHS as considering force to be this and Q times P plus V to be this, then if you compare the I component, then we get 4 is equal to 8 times Bz minus 12 times By. Right? So let me call this equation 1. If you compare the jth component, jth direction force, then minus 20 will be equal to 12 prime Bx minus 4 times Bz. Right? So this is the second one. Now the other one is 12 is equal to 4By minus 8Bx. Now this is the third one. Now the only thing we need to do is solve these equations. And if you solve these equations, this equation combined will give me Bx equals to minus 3, By equals to minus 3, and the question also says that Bx equals to By. We don't need that actually. We can figure out that of our own. Okay, so if you write B in vector form, then B will be equal to minus 3 I vector minus 3 in j vector minus 4 times k vector. Right? So you can also verify if your answer is correct or not by cross multiplying V and V and looking if you get the same F. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. Thank you for watching.